look at this. It's a mini electric chainsaw. Like that. And let's do this. There. Of course, first get the instructional manual. Next, what's in here? This is the charger. There. Charger. And then this one. Oh, this is the battery. There. So you get to, this is the, how do you call this? Indicator. Okay, there. Okay, so we will charge this later. So maybe tomorrow we will test. Then this one. Oh, this is oil for the chain, lubricate the chain. And then we get the two tools in here. For the chain also. Adjust the tension of the, okay, there. What else? I think I know this one. Get also something like this for the for your eye protection. Safety glasses. Okay. There. Oops. Next. This is the one. Jung, 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 jung. Whew. Okay, so careful, careful. It might cut my fingers before I cut some branches. Ala, cute. It's so cute. So this is 4 inches. This one 4 inches. So you have protection in here. Even in here, because you will hold like this, so you get the protection. Okay, so this is the mini chainsaw. It's very handy. I can promise I can do a lot of things with this one. I can cut plenty things. Trial. We can't wait, guys, so let's try this. Oh my God. Look at that. Putol. Naputol. Cut. There. We cannot really wait. Okay, wait. I'll get your food. Morning. Good morning. Hungry already. Where are the others? Cook. Cook. Okay, so this one is charged last night already. We unboxed yesterday, so now it's time to test the mini electric chainsaw. So I will go in here, the tangerine. There is a quite big branch. Okay, first try. So press and then, oh my God. First in here, yeah? Try. I made it. Nice. Oh, wow. Very nice. Oh, wow. There. Oh, nicely. Yeah, good enough to put in the there, so it's good. Nice the cut. Aray ko. Okay, so it was good so far. It's handy. I can do plenty things in here. I will cut, cut, cut. So I will go around and cut more. Okay, so let's see the one I cut. Oh, it looked nice. Very neat. There. Good. Okay, so there you go. At least I test. Let's look what we can cut for testing. Heidi said we try in here at the jabong tree. Jabong tree. So as you can see, get plenty branches. We like to cut and try. Maybe this one is good. Maybe in here. I don't know. AC. Yeah, there. The bigger one. Okay. Oops. Yeah. So this is the one that hubby cut. There. Look nice though. To consider, it's just a 4 inches blade. That one. I tell you guys, I can do a lot of things with that. I might make this bald, the jabong tree. Only that we cannot cut plenty at one time because of the rubbish can. It's full already. So, another tool for our yard. This is a 4 inches mini electric chainsaw. Okay guys, so after that, we are here at Foodland for a quick marketing. So let's walk and look because I don't have a plan. We just came here for a quick marketing, like what I said. And oh, yeah, I remember last night we were craving for a certain kind of cake or a dessert, and it's in here. So, right now, I am looking at this one, tiramisu. So, this is an Italian coffee dessert. Which one? Which one? I'm asking hubby which one to pick because they all look the same. Of course, I wanna get whichever is the biggest to get my money's worth. I think this one. This is good. Nice cut. So they call this a tiramisu bar. Okay, I will get this. Let me put in my cart there. And then next, since we get tired testing the mini chainsaw, oh, we don't feel like preparing or cooking lunch. So I am picking this one. It's a miso belly salmon. And on this part, it's something for breakfast. But we are already done with breakfast. I'm just showing you all, guys. And this one, my favorite, Hawaiian hopia. Oh, I love that. It's just like the version of the Filipino maha blanca. Yummy. All good. And you can weigh your food in here. You pay by weight. Oh, I love that. Fried rice. And plenty, many, many more foods. This is pasta, my favorite. Lakad-lakad tayo in here. This is the area where you can buy different kinds of poke. We are here because this is a hubby's favorite place. Every time we come here, he makes sure to buy his lunch. So that's the one they are preparing his lunch. At the bottom, get rice, and they are now scooping some spicy ahi poke. Okay, so we are waiting. Oh, I love this one. It's the boiled edamame. They get garlic in there. Okay, lakad-lakad pa rin. Eto, these are all vegetables. Oh, look so fresh. And then, oh, I need to buy some bananas for breakfast. We always eat fruits. And then we are deciding what to get. Is it the thick or the thin sliced smoked bacon? There you go, we get one. Okay, lakad-lakad pa din. Ano pa kaya ang mabibili? Oh, I remember. I need to check on their eggs because at the other store, not the same store though, they don't have stocks for eggs. And in here, wow, I'm surprised they get, and then the price is not so bad because we are affected by the bird flu, so not much eggs in Hawaii right now. So as you can see, they limit 2 trays per person. There, I will get one. Ano pa ba? Lakad-lakad na naman. Tingin-tingin kung ano ang pwedeng bilhin. Okay, so I remember. I need to get my soy milk. This is what I drink every morning. And in here, it's $1 cheaper. So even though I still get at home, I will buy one already. Saving money. Okay, lakad-lakad pa more. This is our exercise already. Oh, hubby is looking at his tuna. And then I came across this one. There are plenty kind of spam already. They get Korean barbecue aside from the light and the usual spam. And then they also have teriyaki. One more, the hot and spicy. Wow. Okay, so what else? Oh, I think I will be needing some spaghetti noodles since I get frozen spaghetti sauce at home. There. Though they don't have the brand that I like, I will just get this one. It's good anyway. And these are sodas and wine. I think we're good heading towards the cashier. Yeah, we can.
Get the last one then. Get this one.
Very long cart. Okay, we're done. Quick marketing today. We got lunch. Let's eat lunch. What's the name of this?
Ume.
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 Ah? Ume. Sawa. Very sorry. But I will put furikake on top of my rice. Like that. Put plenty. This is salmon. Appetizer. Salmon is good. Little bit sweet. I have my rice. Try this one. I always remove this. Huh? Sour. Italian dessert. Okay, let's eat. Oh, melts in your mouth.